Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super exciting video. I am going to be unboxing my first book of the month. I posted on Goodreads and was like, I need to find a book subscription service, and I found this one. I am not an affiliate. I did not get sent this for free, so this is just going to be my opinions on the service. So from start to finish, how I feel like it went. So book of the month subscription service is $14.99 a month, so I paid the $14.99 to try it out myself. I actually found a coupon code where I got it for $5. Yeah, service, because I ended up buying 2 books. Where basically you get to select a book from 5 different books that they select that are all brand new hardcover books coming out that month. So it could be, you know, a sequel, it could be brand new. They're all different categories. So there were like thrillers, mysteries, historical fiction, literary fiction, you know, all the different kinds of genres. This is really nice if you want to try a couple different things, see what you kind of like, see what you don't like. Since these hardcovers, you know, sometimes you'll go to Barnes & Noble and a brand new hardcover will be $30, $26. So getting one for $15 is a really good deal. Their service was really, really great. Their customer service, they made sure that my book was coming to me and that it was on time, even after it had gotten lost. So A+ for customer service there as well. So again, video is not sponsored. They didn't send me anything. I just wanted to actually review the service for you guys, because I found, like, when I found the book of the month club unboxings, I didn't really feel like they really went into depth about how the service was, but I feel like the books that they picked were really good this month because there was a huge range, you know. There was a historical fiction book, there was a thriller book, there were all different kinds. So let's just get into the unboxing. That was kind of my first initial thoughts on the actual service itself. I also apologize for my serious roots going on here. I think I might go back to my natural color, so I'm just gonna try it out. So when you open the box up, I didn't bring a scissor in here. You open it up, it's gonna look like this with your books on the inside, and then it says read, love, repeat, which is super cute. So both of my books are in here, so there's nothing else in here. Both of my books are right in here. They're plastic wrapped together. Not a huge fan of plastic wrap, but I'll let it slide. And they have a little cardboard thing on them. So 2 books I selected. First one, so I had initially made my pick. I was like, this is it. So I never read Final Girls by Riley Sager, but I heard amazing things about it. And I read the description of this one and I was like, this is me. This is so me. It is about a sleepaway camp where a few girls go, and they're all telling stories in their cabin, and these 4 girls go missing, and the one girl has to try and go back, figure out what happened to them. Just like a really good mystery thriller. Again, I've heard really great things about Riley Sager. Again, I haven't read their first book. I believe I heard that this is a man writing under a woman's surname, but I could be wrong, so I'm just gonna refer to them as they. So I'm not sure, but I heard that this is a great book. I heard that Final Girls was a great book, and you know, the description kind of sold me, so I was like, this is my pick. This is my pick. Then I went through the rest of the books and I was like, I have to add another pick. So this book is called Ghosted. It's actually a romance novel. And throughout the years, I've been finding myself less reaching for romance. I don't know what it is, but kind of my taste has changed in books. I kind of go more towards thriller mysteries, but also towards kind of like, I don't know, like not really historical fiction, but more like mysteries. And like, I just need the book to have like a lot of substance. Not that romance books don't, but like I need my plot to be doing a lot of different things. You know what I mean? Ghosted is about this woman. She meets this guy, I believe, on a trip, and they're talking, they have a great time, and then all of a sudden all contact goes silent on his end. They were basically talking, I believe, about like getting married, and everything just goes silent, and she's like, interesting. And I think this term is really good because a lot of people nowadays use this term, you know, ghosted, got ghosted by somebody. So she goes on this quest to try and figure out what happened. And I heard this novel was actually really great. I heard it, and at first when I saw the caption that it was romance, I was like, not really feeling a romance book. I'm going on vacation, so I was like, I need a good thriller to bring on vacation, but then I read this and I was like, this is a beach read though. So I heard there is kind of a twist in here, which is something I can definitely get behind. So those are my 2 book of the month. So getting to try something new, you know, if you really hate it that badly, you can always take the book to a resale shop or send it to a used bookstore and get credit, you know. So just keep that in mind. But overall, 2 thumbs up so far for this. I will keep you guys updated because I believe I'm just gonna keep this service probably for a while. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back here later.